Welcome! Have you ever found yourself wondering, what is music therapy? Or how can music be used during the healing process? If you answered yes, this video is for you. Grab some pen and paper and let's get started. Music is often used as therapy to address physical, emotional, cognitive, and social needs of individuals. It aims to improve the quality of life and well-being through structured musical activities. Music, when used in therapy, is a clinical and evidence-based intervention. Music as therapy can unlock some amazing results for your healing and growth. For instance, it is known to reduce symptoms of depression, anxiety, stress, and PTSD. It also has positive effects on physiological measures such as improving heart rate and blood pressure. Music as therapy is often used for pain management, to improve communication and memory, to support emotional expression, and to enhance social interaction. Now that we've discussed what music as therapy is, let's review some ways you can spend time using music for healing. Music for memory. Use familiar songs from different periods of life to evoke memories and stimulate discussion. Create a musical autobiography by selecting songs that represent different stages or events in one's life. Singing. Sing along to favorite songs to boost mood and promote vocal expression. Use simple call and response songs to engage in social interaction and communication. Playing instruments. Use easy-to-play instruments like drums, tambourines, or maracas to encourage rhythm and coordination. Create a music circle where each participant plays an instrument and contributes to a group rhythm. Listening to music. Create playlists of favorite or calming songs to help relax and reduce stress. Use specific genres or tempos of music to evoke certain moods or energy levels. Music and movement. Engage in dancing or moving to music to improve physical coordination and release energy. Use scarves or ribbons to move along with the music, enhancing the sensory experience. Music relaxation exercises. Practice guided imagery with soothing music to help with relaxation and visualization. Use deep breathing exercises with slow, calming music to promote mindfulness. You can often achieve this with a meditation that includes relaxing music. Songwriting. Write simple songs or lyrics that express feelings or tell a story. Collaborate on creating a song as a group activity to foster creativity and teamwork. Improvisation. Encourage spontaneous music making with instruments or vocal sounds to explore creativity and self-expression. Use a variety of percussion instruments to create improvised rhythms and melodies. Lyric analysis. Listen to and discuss the lyrics of meaningful songs to explore themes, emotions, and personal connections. Use songs with positive messages to promote discussion and reflection on personal growth and resilience. Interactive music games. Play musical games like musical chairs or freeze dance to combine music with fun and physical activity. Use rhythm-based games where participants clap or tap along to a beat, enhancing timing and coordination. These are some common ways to use music in the healing process. These ideas can be adapted to suit different age groups, abilities, and preferences, making music as therapy fun and approachable for everyone involved. Run along and find a way to incorporate some healing music into your daily routine. Share in the comments your favorite ways to use music as a source of peace, clarity, or healing. Thanks for watching, and if this video is useful in any way, subscribe now